Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how to log in to Squirrly Social. In order to log into Squirrly Social, you will have to go to app.squirrlysocial.com/login and enter your username and your password over here. In case you have forgotten your password, you can simply click over here, and in case you don't have an account just yet, you can simply click over here, not register, click here to sign up. Okay, so I'm going to write my username over here and my password over here, like so. And now I'm going to click on this button over here, login. And we have logged in successfully inside Squirrly Social. In case you're forgetting the URL to log in inside Squirrly Social, you can simply go to squirrlysocial.com and click on this button over here to log in. Another way to find the URL for the login page, it's inside the customer app. So let's click on this button over here, log into the app. You will have to write the username and the password over here and click on this button, login. Then, by clicking on the product, on the Squirrly Social product, you can find the URL to log in inside Squirrly Social here as well. So this is basically it. This is how you can log in inside Squirrly Social. Until next time.